Let's quickly get into the poem now. Poem title is The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. So, what is discussed in this poem? When you read the poem, you can see the reaper is being single in the field over here. When you read the first stanza, you will come to know the reaper is being single in the field. She is the only person who is reaping in the field, and you can see she is reaping, thereby she is singing by herself. When you read the poem, you will come to know that to know what she is doing, she'll be reaping and she'll be singing by herself. Usually we will do this when we are bored of doing some work, or when we are interested in doing some work, we will hum a song over there. Okay, that is happening. Next, this song of the solitary reaper, it is compared to a nightingale song. What is called a nightingale? Nightingale is a bird, okay, which sings sweetly. So the song of the solitary reaper is compared to the song of a nightingale, and it is also compared to the song of a cuckoo bird. We all know how a cuckoo bird will sing. The song of the solitary reaper who is being alone in the field and she is singing, her song is compared to a nightingale bird, and her song is compared to the cuckoo bird. And you can see when the poet, who is the poet over here? He is William Wordsworth. When the poet is crossing the field, he is just wandering there, and he has a question: who is the reaper and who is singing like this? Her voice is so sweet. Thereby he is making a comparison with a nightingale and a cuckoo. So this poet, he is making a comparison with nightingale and cuckoo. At the same time, he wants to know that who is the person that is singing. He wants to know the lady, and the whole atmosphere is overflowing with the sound of the solitary reaper. How is the atmosphere? The whole atmosphere is overflowing with the sound of the solitary reaper. And when he crossed that area, he says that long after it was heard no more. Okay, what was heard no more? The song was heard no more. Long after the song was heard no more. When the poet crossed the area, he could not hear the song. So what the poet is trying to tell here? He is trying to say that he wants to stand there in that place for a long time, and he wished to listen to that song, but he could not do that because he has many activities to be completed. So he crosses that area and pauses. I listened motionless and still. Who is listening to the song of the solitary reaper? The poet is listening to the song of the solitary reaper. He listened to it motionless and still. When he heard the melody of the song, when he heard the singing of the lady, he is still over there. What's the meaning of the word still? We used to say freeze, no? Like that he got freezed. So this is what is discussed in the poem. I have just given you the idea what is discussed in the poem. Read the poem. If you have any doubts, you can make a call to me and get it clarified, children. See, this is the workbook exercise and it is not a prescribed poem for you. So as we are time bound, I am just rushing up over here. I am giving you the ideas. I can't discuss you the poem stanza by stanza. It is your duty. You have to read the poem and you have to understand it. Okay, I have just brushed up the ideas which is given in the poem. Next exercise which we are going to see is, it is exercise on vocabulary. Vocabulary. The following words and phrases occur in the given passages and poem. Given below are the words and their meanings. Match each meaning with the word. So now I have done one comprehension for you and I have completed a poetry comprehension for you. What I am going to do now is, there is 3 boxes in the form of match the following. What I am going to do now, I am going to discuss only one box which is given for you. Let us see that box now. One box which is given for you, whereas you have to do the other 2 boxes. See children, be careful. Three comprehensions are there. First comprehension I did not discuss. Second comprehension and the third poem I have discussed. But when I do with this vocabulary, I am doing the first vocabulary for you, whereas second and third you have to do it on your own. Okay. So what is the word given? Relieves. What is the meaning of the word relieve? To free from anxiety, fear, pain, etc. If you take the dictionary and if you search for the meaning of the word relief, you can get the meaning easily. The same is next to match the following also. You can do it on your own. Endorphins. This word, it is new to you. Okay, now come to the next word now. Exhaustion. What is the meaning of the word exhaustion? I have made use of this word, exhaustion. Yes, when I discuss you something, I'll say like, we have discussed a lot on this and we got exhausted. What is the meaning of the word exhausted? Tired. Good. Rejuvenate. What is the meaning of the word rejuvenate? Rejuvenate, to restore to a former state. Make fresh or new again. To restore to a former state. Make fresh or new again. Vitality, vital, be vital. We used to say vitality, vital. What is the meaning of the word? Power to live or grow. Now tell me, what is the meaning of the word endorphins? Substance produced by the brain that have pain-killing and tranquilizing effects on the body. So this is the word which is related to the meaning. I have given you the answers over here. Again, I'll make it clear, children. Relieves, to free from anxiety. Draw a line. Relieves, to free from anxiety. Endorphins, substance produced by the brain that have pain-killing and tranquilizing effect on the body. Exhaustion, tiredness. Rejuvenate, to restore to a former state. Vitality, it is the power to live and grow. Two more boxes are there that you have to complete on your own. And next you are going to do the word search column. Okay, this is like a crossword puzzle which you have seen in the newspaper and other things. What you are going to do here? You are going to find out the words which is related to music. Will you do it? Okay. And next to this, you can see some musical instrument which is given for you. What you are going to do is, for this musical instrument, you are going to get words from this grid. Okay, the grid which is given you. Okay, the grid, this is given for you, and you can see here in the very first line itself an easy word is got for you, musical instrument, and you can search it somewhere over here to get the musical instruments, and they have given you a clue also with the musical instrument which you have to found. Will you do it? You have to do it on your own. These are the things you are going to complete, children. Word search, vocabulary, text 1 I have did for you, text 2 and text 3 you are going to do it. Will you do it? And thereby, next to this, for Solitary Reaper, after reading the poem, you have some filling the blanks over there. You have to fill up the blanks which is given after the poem. The Solitary Reaper, you have to complete that. And next, in this vocabulary, you have to do the next two exercises which is given for you. Followed by that, what you are going to do is, you are going to do this text which is given for you. Relieves, endorphins, exhaustion, rejuvenate and vitality. I have given you the meaning. Two more match is there. You have to complete it. Finally, the exercise which you are going to do is this word search. Okay, word search. In the given grid, you are going to find the name of the musical instruments. And what is given there as a clue for you, children? There are some musical instruments in your textbook which is given as a clue. And when I taught you the lesson, the sound of the music, I told you regarding what is Shennai, and I told you the difference of Pungi and Shennai. Here you can find a keyboard. What are the other musical instruments? I have just given you few musical instruments on the screen just to get an idea. The other things are present in your textbook. You can see it and you can find the words in word search. Now finally we have come to the end of the session, and here I have to make things clear that before we end the session, I would like to tell you what you are going to do today. The work which is assigned for you is, make a note of it children, 3 comprehension is there for you. What are the 3 comprehension? 3 comprehensions which is related to music. 3 comprehension which is related to music. And in those 3 comprehension, first one you can just read it off and do it. Second one is about Beethoven, which I have discussed with you. And next one, it is a poem comprehension, The Solitary Reaper, that you have to complete. So this week fully you are going to concentrate on that. Okay. Today you will complete only one, that is Beethoven. The paragraph which is given on music director Beethoven you have to complete. And that word search grid is given for you. You have to search for the musical instrument, that you can do. Within this week, you have to complete all these comprehensions. Side by side, what you have to do is, you have to do your English work which is also given. Last week, I told you about the paragraph writing that you should do. That is for the activity. And what you are doing now is from your workbook. You have more writing tasks in English. All this writing task is going to help you to learn. This is like a practice for you. So get practiced, complete all these exercises. Today, the only thing you are going to do is Beethoven passage you are going to read, you are going to answer it, and that word search grid alone you are going to do. Is it clear for you? If you are interested, you can solve the other exercises in the workbook. As time concerned, I have done something which is important from Unit 1 and I am doing the same for Unit 2. Whenever time permits, I will give you the other exercises as activity so that we can complete the exercises of workbook. Try to follow me children and be regular in your work. I am getting the response only from few people. Others who are not responding, even I made a call to you, I just reminded you to do the work and I don't know how many of you are doing it. Be sincere in your work and do it regularly. Make a point that you have to complete your everyday work. If you are not going to complete your everyday work, it is of no use. Really, it is of no use. Girls are being good in doing their daily work. And we can count the boys who are being regular in their work. It is very few. We can count them. Others are not being regular. I don't know why you are not being regular. So try to be regular in your work and complete your work in time. If you have any doubts, you can make a call to me and get it clarified. Okay, children? See you in the next session. Don't take it easy. Don't think that workbook is not necessary. This last part, I just want to talk with you the importance of workbook. That is why this 2 minutes I am just giving you, briefing you a session about workbook, that it is going to help you. The things which you are going to practice in workbook, it will help you to improve your writing skill. So be careful, be sincere in your work and complete your daily work when it is being instructed by the teacher. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next session. Bye-bye.